Yo, what's up everyone? I'm here again with another Photoshop tutorial. I'm Kofi Pope from Atelier de Kofi Pope, and guess what? Today the surrounding is different because I'm in the studios of Black Coast Multimedia inside Taifa. Internet so to a Photoshop addition so na ene de be hwa ne say be hwa se ne de camera raw enkwa in Photoshop a retouch. In our previous video me kire the difference between a high-end retouch and a normal retouch. And the camera raw no normal retouch because there is no frequency separation and dodge and bend. And aside frequency separation and dodge and bend, we are coming to do everything in camera raw. We will smooth the skin a little, we will correct our colors. Nempo so any grading biana our camera raw. And so we new our channel way so no energy content na me creating so my person will be me a subscribe button so we are bell icon na one channel so me also send anytime be I drop a new video no we be notification na fe with me a follow lesson na fe we yes anya mani nya we are me person we be share video no na video net me adu onipa na o person osua Photoshop ba ohun be bia o be start here free to send a dey bia me canon no Photoshop is fun, no cause for alarm. Mean waste your time yanko Photoshop ni start here neso adwuma enti sesi ano yaba Photoshop ye be start neso adwuma ye retouch ni nyina e wo camera raw ba wo hwe workspace ni so a image ni ya load to workspace ni so da say ye pese ye de call camera raw ekoye hu adwuma ne kwan difference aso na say ye twa image na ye format na ye di save image ni wo camera no so raw and so we dey ba camera raw abaye hu adwuma no so wone kwan enti dey di kan ye hwe se na e betimi de image aya load wo your workspace no so da akọ camera raw ni akoye hu adwuma dey hian se obeba filter obeba soro ha filter no akọ camera raw filter to me a camera raw filter no so a bon say Photoshop baby camera raw filter panel na ma na fe what me aye we changes bia or pese we ha and this is how I dey image free workspace no eba camera raw be hu adwuma ebiem so ye fan say ye try ye image no na right from camera no so ye dey ba Photoshop abaye hu adwuma and so mia oba file open na fe o select image na o person ye hu adwuma na say a raw image o select na umia open na obo say straight Photoshop ankasa e do beko camera raw say the kind ye hu adwuma answer o dey call workspace no so in the aha ni e be ye ene ye editing no in the sha ye nice model yi our image nim or dance all artist Charlie or good your friend Queen Shan, you can check it out. Indeed, we have this nice picture of her. The first thing we see who panel where it has its own full set of tools. But then we are not looking at the whole tools or camera run. But then share panels, any tools back whom you will be a bit media normal retouch answer the picture no akoto workspace no so ankasa into the edi kind no obeba right hand corner hanum first icon e one eye basics no umia basics no so a ubenya panel way nyina panel way na wo de be twist images no whether or shadow or highlight no be behind panel way na the be twist first thing am here say me di kan mia auto a share correctional camera raw na nkasa edebe mama image no enti me share that correction now we are now my build it from there and I think the auto has done a good job for the starting enti me bring me exposure now down kakra biom to let's say this amount now my bring me contrast so down to let's say -20 because I feel say contrast be break our image in me. Now for me highlight so me dey to -90, me dey me shadow so be to 80. Now for me dey me white at 5. Now me blacks as usual mede no so ato -10. Now for texture no, mostly I don't use the texture slider. Into what I use is the clarity. See, mostly me the clarity at 10. Now for me the clarity to 10, we are made me vibrant so out of 10. Now my saturation at 0. Me moving on to the next panel. I know yeah tone curve. Tone curve no sliders na your was your highlight, your light, your darks, your shadows. Into me highlight no about to 10. Now me light up to 5. Me dark up to -5. Now me shadow so up to 10. Indeed. And so from here, me moving on to the next panel. Panel way in the control the sharpness and I say ye noise every image. And ha panel hanomno near bed ye tiny smoothing of the skin. No. Into the one intermediate sharpness no about 250. The sharpness in 250 and my bar reduce noise. Over reduce noise now luminous. Luminous no the secret about reduce noise is the more I reducing noise no, map with image no blur out kakra. And now the more image so blur out no, it just image no is smooth no. So what I do is luminous no, I am erasing at the top 10 and now 15. Make you see 10. Now if we moving on to the next panel, which is the HSL adjustment. I no make control the overall color in the image. First of all, made me red slider no about 10. Now me the orange no so up to 5. Now fi me pese me greens no image ni mu have this brownish look no. Into no me yellow no so beba down. Now fi me the green so up and down. We're moving on to saturation under HSL adjustment no. After honum so no me decrease the greens no to get more of that brownish look now me person me now for my ready me yellow no so to about 15 until me have 15 new year now for me orange so because yeah for brownish look na be my orange na be green orange no so me reducing it by -3 now for Nafi atare no share no which is jeans no mama jeans no so colors no kakra apie into and so the blue no be 260 so who say me the 260 ama life kakra aba color no mu ntafi eyi color na apie me move on biom to luminous nafi luminous no mama blue na e deep in kakra into me push slider no to about -10. Now for me orange so aqua 5. And we are done with the HSL adjustment panel. The next panel I move we call a split toning. Mostly na a split toning no. Me share that enye adwuma for her. Meskepe split toning. Me move on to lens correction. Lens correction no. The only thing I do here is these two boxes. I check them. Me check boxes me anyway. Now me move on to the next panel, which is the FX effect panel. Now you can choose to add vignette, black vignette or white vignette. Mostly in the beginning me add a black vignette kakra to about 15 to my image. Send here bema concentration and match are going on the image itself. And also sana me to after my next panel calibration. Calibration also no but twist colors no kakra ema colors no a bit brighter. Nti me di kan ba blue primary honum no. Na fe ni hue no matwen hue na ko actually to about -30. To about -30. Now for me the saturation also up to -20. Into me the saturation is so to how we are. Now for me moving on to green primary. Now for green primary so into green primary slide that way na me the better brown so kakra. Into green slider no so remember about 20%. Into me man 20% and now for red no so mate red no so kakra. Aba to say negative 10. It is a negative 10. I think I'm good with what I have so far. I go back to the basic panel. Now, the temperature, I add a little warmness to the temperature. Me back to basic panel, then I add a little warmness to the image. I add a little warmness to the image. I think from here I'm cool. Now for me save here, save image. Or left down corner who save image. To save image in this way. I better drop a panel away. I drop a panel away. Who preset? Do you want to save what you've done as a preset? Now after select folder, I will save as preset a folder be when I encore. Now file extension no. Open the engine and PSD and PNG and JPEG. Then also over select it. We select we are or twisting the our na fe to over select it. Timmy Vance select JPEG. Timmy select JPEG. When we format no about JPEG. Metadata no so that all now quality either 8 into the quality no to 11. The quality no at 11. Na fe me save na image no I save my oba asia ha icon bi ISY umia icon no so a eno na be boa wa before and after. Social left hand side now before and right hand side after. You could feel say a great change.
Inti aha na dey na Photoshop addition be see. Dia wonti ase bia no me pese obeja comment e comment section ni mu. Me kan na fe dia wonti ase bia no ya tackle na fe ye hu se dia be na afa. Photoshop is fun, no cause for alarm. Ye nyina ade na yesu the fact say me a tutorial it doesn't mean that I know much in Photoshop, but what I know is what I'm trying to share. Indeed, you can also share your views, find out so or retouch our camera, or you can share them in the comment section. Yes, new thing on that. Indeed, mean waste your time. See you in our next video. And before I go to, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also don't forget to share. This is Kofi Pope from Atelier the Kofi Pope. See you in our next video.